Hello, welcome to MWR Make Wealth Will. This is three-star executive director Daniel Leon, and if you're watching this video, that means somebody is trying to be a blessing in your life. That's right. No matter what your circumstances are right now, somebody is trying to put you on a position to win and achieve your financial goals. And we're going to absolutely do that with this opportunity that we have. Okay, we have three avenues that help people achieve those goals. Okay, we got MWR at home, where you're able to work an at-home business, generating additional streams of income. So if you need time freedom, if you need to be able to be available to your family and your kids, if you're tired of your boss, if you're tired of working a regular 9 to 5, please reach out to the person that sent you this video and ask for more info on how you can become an entrepreneur today. Okay, we also have the MWR Passport, where we help you generate passive income for you to live life on your own terms. But what we're going to focus on is the MWR membership, allowing you to reduce your taxes, eliminate debt, and lower your monthly bills. Let's dive into this. Okay, MWR is allowing you to get cash back immediately back into your home on a monthly basis. The way we're going to do that is we're going to give you a pay raise if you work for a W-2 employer. We're going to reduce your taxes, allowing you to get a pay raise on each paycheck, allowing you to save hundreds of dollars each month. And then we're going to lower your monthly bills. That's going to help you save even more, hundreds of dollars each month. And that's month to month. Okay. And the reason why we want you to be in a position to save those hundreds of dollars, potentially thousands, is because we're going to help you eliminate debt effectively. And one of the key elements to maximizing your credit score is being able to eliminate that debt. And on top of all of that, you're going to be able to enjoy free credit restoration. That's right. You will be able to enjoy free credit restoration, and it's going to be an automatic process. No longer do you have to worry about the hassle of having to send out your letters on a month-to-month basis. We're going to have a team of licensed accredited attorneys that's going to dispute all of those negative items and get them sent out for you. Okay, now we're a loud and proud organization. We love for people to share their results. So when you come on board, on the front page of the customer portal and also on the person that sent you this video's home business page, we have live testimonials and stories, and where they show in-depth reviews on how they were able to get high credit score increases, save thousands of dollars on their debt, and also get hundreds of dollars on their pay increases. Okay. We're truly all about putting people in a position. We're helping people from coast to coast and even worldwide. That's right. If you're traveling abroad, if you're in the military, if you're a military spouse, you're able to utilize these services and save money on your bills as well. Okay. And when you come onto this platform, you're going to be able to enjoy these services. You'll be able to activate all of these services. That's including the legal advice as well. And you'll be able to start using these services immediately. Once you upload your documents, you'll get a 24 to 48 hour response. Okay. Now, in addition, we want to highlight that with one protection plan within the household, your significant other or spouse is able to enroll in our free credit restoration program as well. That's right. Not only will you be able to enjoy a credit score increase, but your spouse will be able to enjoy a credit score increase on the house as well. Truly, truly game changing. And then here's another perk that we have when you come on board with us. You see this Go link here? You send this out, and if 3 people enroll under that link, no longer will you pay any money for these services. That's right. Everything I just laid out to you will be free. As long as 3 people are enrolled in that plan, they'll be free indefinitely. Truly, truly game changing. And like I said, we like to be loud and proud. We like to be servant leaders into our community. So we also want you to join our Supercharger Credit Group on Facebook. What this allows us to do is pass out information, pass out the financial literacy perks, and then we love for our clients and our customers and the people we lock arms with to share their results. As you can see here, we're helping people save hundreds of dollars on their bills every single day. Okay, we're helping people get credit score increases every single day. All right, and that's putting people in a position to remove negative items. And guess what? Get high credit score increases creates new homeowners. That's right. So if buying a new home is on your financial goals list, you want to absolutely get started today, because we're truly in a system that's helping people maximize their credit score to ensure they achieve those financial goals. Okay, so please reach back out to the person that sent you this video, and let's get you started today. The secret to success is getting started, and we will see you at the top. Take care.